Hey guys, so I'm in Sun Pyramid and I pre-ordered that phone on like September, but then now it's like October already. It took like a really long time for the phone to arrive. Machine even said sorry by giving me a discount code or something, a voucher on their website. So one of the reasons why I didn't post so long is like I have no content to post and planning to post this video, but the phone is coming so late. So yeah, I'm gonna get the phone right now and you all enjoy. We are here, so I'm gonna collect the phone now. Been waiting for months, but yeah, here.
iPhone 14 Pro Max 512 GB deep purple.
Guys, so got the phone. I'm gonna unbox it later at my house. Hey y'all, I am indeed back home with the iPhone. It's here. Okay, so my dad got this case. It says someone gave it to him for free, and I don't know what brand it is, so let's talk about it. It didn't sponsor me. So this is the iPhone 13 Pro box. This is the iPhone 13 box. So let's see the difference. Okay, so this is the iPhone 14 Pro Max box. You can see the size difference, I assume. It's like, yeah, there's really big difference, but both of these are not important. So the iPhone 13 Pro is like the camera I basically use, I guess, but the phone I'm using right now is the iPhone 13. You all can see yourself here, 13 Pro. So I'm gonna unbox this. I've been waiting for a month now, so yeah, let's unbox it. Okay, this view is not satisfying at all compared to the past. Oh my god, this is not satisfying at all. But the peel is not satisfying compared to the 13. It's not satisfying. No, it's not at all. It's not sticky anymore. So, oh, let's see, y'all. Deep purple. Damn. I'm gonna take a photo because this moment you barely see it, if you get what I mean. So this is the phone. I got 512 gigabytes because video, I guess. Oh my god, the bubbles. So should I peel it off? Yes, I should. So I'm gonna put it really close so you guys can hear something. Okay, you guys probably can't hear anything, but it means better than nothing. Okay? So Dynamic Island. Let's go. Let's start this thing. 3, 2, 1, go. I got a haircut, by the way. I don't know if this has. Okay, this indeed has a battery, so I don't know. Oh my god, this scared me. I thought this is using eSIM because the 14 Pro Max is using eSIM, but then I think the Malaysia version is using the SIM card. So indeed, I still have the SIM card. So let's open it. Ooh, okay, let's see. This has a lot of battery, and the display compared to this, because this have 120 hertz display, and this iPhone only has 60 hertz, which is like a really really big upgrade. Where is Malaysia? Okay, there. Get Malaysia. Okay, let's go. I'm kind of nervous for some reason. I don't know why. Oh, this feels so different. So I think I can close this. Okay, quick start. Okay, so I have to connect this now. Okay, so put it here. Here we go. That's awesome. This phone is so big compared to this. Okay, setting to its dark mode now. So continue on your another iPhone. Because iPhone near the iPhone wire is setting up. Okay, so to put the passcode, of course you all can see. Here we go. Should be perfect. Finish on new iPhone might take a few minutes. So, well, I'm gonna wait. While waiting, I'm gonna unbox this case. I don't have a screen protector yet because I haven't set this thing up. So, probably get a screen protector sometime soon, not right now. I don't know. Okay, I think I'm supposed to pull this down. Okay, good, great, awesome. So, 2022 new. Oh, so like the back case like black, like completely in here. It doesn't look MagSafe, but is it useful? MagSafe works with MagSafe. Okay, Face ID. I have to set up my Face ID, so let's set up. Okay, first one. Face ID with buttons. I'll do it really quick. There we go. Second scan is complete. Continue. So I think I'd be rather use like this because this one is like faster and quicker, which is like better, I guess. Okay, I have to put the SD card too. Okay, agree the terms and condition. I'll reread it. Sure. But hey, does it work? This is deep purple. It looks so nice, and I love it. And I got a Pro Max because I want a bigger. Oh my god, bigger display because this display is like kind of small, so I kind of want a big one. And I don't want to get an iPad as well because iPad is like too like. It's like I want an all-in-one device. Okay, so continue. I have to connect my Apple Watch too because I got my Apple Watch here. So okay, let's see. I don't know how long is this gonna take to back up all this stuff. So I have to switch my my SIM card because I gotta charge my phone. This one's running out of battery. I need all my data. I don't have Apple Pay. I'm not old enough for a freaking credit card yet. So let's like open this thing up. Okay, good. Take out the SIM card. Okay, I have to be really careful. Oh my god. Oh, this is so creepy. Oh my god, this is so creepy. I'm scared I messed up. Okay, good, awesome. But the thing I kind of miss about the normal iPhone 13 is like, wait, let me put it back. Like the side here, it's like made out of like I think it's like mirrors, like glass, so it's like pretty easy for fingerprints, which I don't really like or I'm not a fan of. So, hello on my new iPhone. Let's unlock it for the first time. 3, 2, 1. I need to do Face ID. Oh, the dynamic island is so cool. So I'll do it later in the settings. The Siri, continue. How did I do it? Okay, I'm forced to install iOS 16.1. So I don't think I need a charger for this phone, cause like this phone is like really full in terms of like battery and stuff. So I don't think it's necessary for this to have like a. You take the cable out. Wait. Oh yeah, I do have it. I do have it. Wait. To use this cable though, but whatever. There's so much iPhone cables like in my room. Okay, so I'll have one iPhone cable outside here. So like I have the brick already. So I will have one iPhone cable out here if I'm editing videos and I'm too lazy to take stuff, then you get a point. And the dynamic island is so cool. So I'm gonna use this. This one is not the original Apple one. I have the original Apple brick in my room, but I don't want to be so spoiled and buy another one. So that works fine. So there you go. Plug it in. Whoa! Dynamic island. Y'all look. Look at this. I plug it in. It will look like this. Look. So cool, bro. So I don't know what I should do now. Probably just like wait for the update and stuff. I don't know how long is this gonna take just to update this thing. How long is this gonna take to update this thing while this thing is just like enjoying here for its retirement? Look at the size comparison. Look at how big this is and how small this is. Look at this. Dynamic island is so cool though. Yo, the phone, it's okay, I gotta put my passcode. So it's done. Okay, so I'll do a quick start thing again for some reason. I don't know why. I upgraded to iOS 16.1 and I have to do this thing again. It's so annoying. I put so much effort into this and just for this to be like, I have to do it again. So kinda annoying. I can't. For real, I can't. What? What? I guess I have to do it manually. I have to type the code on the screen. Because like my phone's like, oh, so it's not working for some who knows what reason. But anyways, I have to put the code again, do everything again. It's so like annoying, I guess. But it's gonna take time, and it's not gonna finish that quick. So this one looks good, purple. This case, but like it's kind of empty, so I'll probably get a new case later. You have to, it's like updating this back up here. See, as you can see, and like this thing is just like reading. So I don't know how long this is gonna take. Probably an hour, but yeah, doesn't matter. So y'all, it is indeed, I think, done. I got my wallpaper, so my wallpaper is purple and my phone theme is like purple too, so probably fits this phone color because like deep purple. So let's go. Okay, so what's this? Restore completed. Okay, so let's go. Continue. Apple Pay. I don't use credit cards, so I'll do it next time, I guess. But now, welcome to iPhone 3, 2, 1. There you go. Everything is here. Wow. Finally about it. Look, everything is cloned. I'm so proud of Apple phone nowadays. And that's always on display too. This is so cool. And the dynamic island, I don't know how this works and stuff, but I think if you have like a time music on or something, I'm not sure. But I have to connect everything again. I guess like all my earphones and stuff. I use AirPods, but I don't know. But how do I say? I don't know how. Okay, my AirPods is indeed connected here. Oh, it's gonna link. Okay, good. Good, it is indeed in here. As you can tell, this is perfect. So yeah, everything is fine. Everything, I just gotta do more stuff now. So Apple Pay. Okay, I don't have Apple Pay, but other than that, I think that's basically it. So I don't have much to review, but let's do something that's kind of important, which is trying out the camera, y'all. This is the iPhone 14 Pro Max camera. So the 0.5, 1, 2 times, 3 times, and go all the way to 9, which is really good for a phone like iPhone, I guess. But other than that, 2, 3. Yo, that's basically all for this video. I've not much else to review because I didn't buy much today. It's just like iPhone. I pre-ordered this since like September. It took me like almost 2 months to arrive. So yeah. Thank you all so much for watching this video. If you find this video helpful or if you like my video, make sure to like and subscribe. And yeah, I'll see you guys next time. Peace out. Bye.